Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to change the currency in the Etsy app. Whether you're shopping abroad or simply prefer to see prices in your local currency, this simple guide will help you. So let's get started. Open the Etsy app on your smart device and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the Etsy app on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you'll click on. By clicking on your profile, a new page will open with a drop-down menu where you'll look for the option, Settings, and then click on it. Then on the new page, also in the drop-down menu, you'll go down to the option, Select Currency, and click on it. The Etsy app will open all the currencies that it supports in the app. It's up to you to choose which of the possible currencies you want, and then click on it. After you choose your currency, the Save button is not needed. Your settings will update instantly, and you can start shopping in your new currency format. And there you have it! Changing your currency in the Etsy app is so easy. Now you can shop with ease, knowing that prices are displayed in the currency that works best for you. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.